show his riding skills today. Already, we already souped him up, put some steroids into both of his arms.
Steroids. That is Starbucks coffee.
Yeah, if the helmet's not gonna fit, I got a shaver. We're gonna trim his hair real nice. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna squeeze him like crazy and put him into the bodysuit.
This is a perfect time to go for riding the bike when I saw the middle peaks in the morning. Middle of the day. You're sweating like crazy inside.
You will be like cooking.
Cooking inside.
He looks exactly like Lambu. You look just like your dad.
Shoes are super tight.
Yeah. The bike is ultra comfortable on it. All right, he's doing a super turn on the cones. Dude, you taller than your dad? No? Head up, head up. Here. Okay, when you're turning, you have to look into the turn. So if you're turning left, your head has to turn. Don't look down, don't look down. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Turn with your head, turn with your head. Yeah. Okay, this is Ankush coming up on the big hill. Look up, look up, look up, head up. Brake, 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 brake. Hold the brake. This is Ankush attempting again. Let go of the clutch, let go of the clutch. Try number 3. Slow down. Good job. Go, go, go. Look up, look up. That was good, but you were looking down. You're looking at the ditches. Look up. Look up. Because what you look in front of you, you should have already looked 2 seconds ahead. So look at that. If you're going to go in the ditch or not, you decide 2 seconds early, not after you come to the ditch. All right? Otherwise, you did good. Have some more speed at the start itself, okay? And when you hit the top, cut off the speed. Lambu exchanging gears, and Bada Lambu is gonna ride the big bike. Just పెట్టేశారు అట్లా అంతే. That is a pro, man.
Kidding me?
It looks awesome. Take a photo, man. Matching helmet. आराम से. So that is the brake. Brake is this. Yeah. Hey, Lambu. Gonna do the mini MX? Yeah. వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు ఆడికి. నువ్వు 2 రౌండ్స్. అరే అటు కాదు రే. You're gonna turn from the parking lot.
Second third వెళ్ళిపోతుందా?
Yeah, నీ ఇష్టం. Whatever is comfortable for you. Too much fast అనిపిస్తుందా? Third
pulling and third like
it's limiting. Yeah, you shift to third when you feel that, and then shift to second when you want, when it's slowing down. Go. It's very easy to ride that bike than this because it's heavier, a little bit more powerful, and doesn't go as fast as this when you make it go. So it's controlled.
Just remind him not to try to jump on that.
Huh?
Remind him not to try to jump on that.
Yeah.
Can you get a video of me? Huh? Can you get a video of me?
I got you, bro. You want me to? When you come back from the front, I'll take you. నేను అక్కడ నిలబడతా. ముందు కూర్చో. Sit front, elbows out. Yeah. Yeah, it'll come. It's a wide angle. Yeah.
Mama is all high tech.
recording today. And then trying to.
ఓకే సావి నువ్వు కొద్దిగా చూడాలి నాన్న ఓకే ఫోటో గైస్ ఏంది
I think it's on video constantly. So
It's on video all the time.
ఇట్స్ వీడియోనా
Yeah.
you like take still frames from it.
ఓకే
I don't even know how to use that thing. iPhone day, it takes time to
Strike
use.
it.
No, no. Videos and photos.
I know.
You shared too much already today.
Necessity rather like use it.
Anything other than iPhone, yeah.
You shared too much today.
Why? Why even call?
జస్ట్ క్లోజింగ్
Is this
వీడియో
a oh, it's a video.
Some crazy stuff been happening. The Philippines got its
Little
first
bit,
gold medal in a century.
Nala beam up
ఓకే లుక్ హియర్
We're camping back in Chot's backyard.
Crib.
Chot's crib. Oh shoot. That has to happen. We have to give one to the gods.
Camping gods.
Yeah.
క్యాంపింగ్ గాడ్
Nice day riding with the boys.
Forgive us for not coming to the campsites and trying to do in the home. Camping gods go much.
బార్బెక్యూ అండ్ దేర్ చికెన్ బిర్యానీ
Chicken or mutton?
Chicken grind.
చికెన్ బిర్యానీ
Because mutton sikka magation.
Here guys are playing with lucky striker after Savi's fall from mud bike today.
ఇప్పుడు బాక్సింగ్ ఒకసారి బ్యాడ్మింటన్
Ankush.
What is that app that you record it and it just goes back and forth?
Boring.
Boomerang.
That's the function of Instagram.
Oh, it's Instagram.
Anytime it completes the video, it starts again.
And then taking it back down.
Oh, that's like. That's not cool. Oh, that is cool.
That is boomerang?
I don't know. My sister knows, not me.
Yeah, okay. We are in the wrong crowd. No, all the guys, so nobody's using it. Right?
నెక్స్ట్
What happened?
What happened? I chipped my ankle.
Chipped up.
Yeah, the piece of the cartilage broke off. And
So yeah, chipping is like something that happens outside. You
Oh.
did something inside.
yeah,
Yeah, you did something deep. How?
I rolled my ankle playing baseball.
Just on the street?
No, during a
Is
game.
this a confession tape?
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and he's gonna get a lot more chicks than you guys. What happened to you today?
Fell dirt biking.
Hmm.
Got scrapes. Yeah. Hopefully there's scrapes. We'll know tomorrow.
Okay. Chopra?
What?
Something.
It's a vlog. You watch the YouTubers, right?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Tell me something about this.
You must have seen your dad making it, right? You should say like freshly prepared.
What?
I'm not eating it.
Why? It's burnt. Huh?
No, it's bad.
Why?
It doesn't taste good.
You tasted it already?
Yeah.
Where? Nobody. We just opened it
No,
now.
The entire part of India, some part of the people will be just jumping on you.
I had it before.
Oh, you messed up. What's up?
Hi.
That's it?
It looks good. But I already ate it, so I'm good.
No, but you still have to eat.
అరే ఇది మంచిగా
It's okay, it's okay. But I'm good, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, I'm doing good.
Alright.
Gym now.
Yeah.
Uncle would have